Good morning, everyone. My name is Marsyah Habiba from Class D Accounting, and today I will be presenting Journal Article Review, a comprehensive analysis of market-based accounting research in Indonesia, based on the journal article Mapping Market-Based Accounting Research in Indonesia, Graphics and Guidelines for Future Research by Nafis Suhardianto, Bambang Subroto, Grahita Chandrarin from Universitas Airlangga, City University of Hong Kong, Brawijaya University, Merdeka University of Malang, published in the Asian Journal of Accounting Research, Volume 2, 2017, Issue 1. This presentation is structured as follows: Introduction, Literature Review, Research Methods, Result and Discussion, and the last is Conclusion. Now, let's move to the first part of my talk, which is about Introduction. The study aims to provide valuable insight into development, trends, and methodologies within the field of accounting research, specifically focusing on market-based accounting research in Indonesia. The significance of the study lies in the need for a detailed understanding of the evolution of market-based accounting research in Indonesia over a 10-year period. The literature review highlights the existing research gaps and establishes a rationale for the study. In this content, we can see Table 1 about MBAR paper in SNA or National Accounting Symposium and Accounting Review or AR from 2000 to 2009. Let's move to the next part, which is literature review. The author discussed the emergence of MBAR as a popular topic in the accounting fields, particularly in Indonesia, and its relevance to investors, regulators, and policymakers. They also highlight the historical evolution of MBAR and its growth in Indonesia, emphasizing the importance of understanding the relationship between accounting information and capital market variables. Furthermore, the literature review identifies the research gaps and opportunities in MBAR in Indonesia, emphasizing the need for more comprehensive studies, exploration of new research themes and methodologies, and the importance of meta-analysis and triangulation research. The review sets the stage of the study by establishing the significance of MBAR and the rationale for conducting a detailed analysis of its development in Indonesia. The literature review in the journal article provides a solid foundation for understanding the context and importance of MBAR in Indonesia, laying the groundwork for the subsequent analysis and finding present in the study. In this part, we can see Table 2 about the division of MBAR terms by previous research, and we can see three other tables is Figure 1, Intervariable Relationship Models, Search Loop and Seal, Figure 2, Distributed Lag and Autoregressive, Search Gujarati 2009, and Figure 3, Research Framework. Okay, let's move to the next part is research method. The research method used in the journal article, Mapping Market-Based Accounting Research in Indonesia, Graphics and Guidelines for Future Research, involved a descriptive approach to analysis market-based accounting research or MER, published in Indonesia over a decade. The authors utilized a 5-step process to analyze the MER article, which include Step 1, developing a database of MER articles published in accredited accounting journal in Indonesia. Step 2, sorting the data to identify key characteristics and trends. Step 3, analyzing descriptive statistics to determine the market share of MER, journal share, and the profile of research models. Step 4, analyzing the content of MER publication to identify themes, variable research, relationship between variables, method utilized, unit analysis, and future research opportunities. The last step is step number 5, describing the data using text, tables, or cards to present the findings. The author used Creswell recommendation to analyze qualitative data, which involved a systematic approach to analyzing the content of the MER article. They also used a descriptive framework developed by Wolf and Srill to describe the development of MER in Indonesia. The research method used in the study allowed the authors to provide a comprehensive analysis of the development of MER in Indonesia and to offer graphics and guidelines for future research within the field. The descriptive approach enabled the authors to identify key characteristics and trends in MER research in Indonesia, providing insight into the current state of the fields and opportunities for future research. In this section, we can see the framework used to discuss the finding of this paper. We can see figure 4. Next, we talk about result and discussion. This study finds 5 out of 22 accounting journals that satisfy the criteria. The journal are Jurnal Riset Akuntansi Indonesia, published by Indonesian Institute of Accountant and the Office in Universitas Gadjah Mada, Yogyakarta. Jurnal Akuntansi dan Keuangan Indonesia, published by Universitas Indonesia, Jakarta. Jurnal Akuntansi, published by Universitas Tarumanagara, Jakarta. Akuntabilitas, published by Universitas Pancasila, Jakarta. And Jurnal Akuntansi dan Auditing Indonesia, published by Universitas Islam Indonesia, Yogyakarta. The list of this journal we can see on the table 3. And this section we can see 5 other tables. First is table number 4 about MBAR article compared to others. Next, table 5 about market share and journal share of MBAR. Table 6 about the themes of MBAR in Indonesia. Table 7 MBAR model and methods. And the last is table 8 the using of research model and MBAR themes. The maps describe the variable research intervariable relationship and the unit of analysis. The map and its legend are present in the appendix. 1. Analysis behavior. 2. Valuation and fundamental analysis. 2. Accounting regulation consequence. 4. Market efficiency. 5. Performance measure alternative. 6. Accounting disclosure consequence. 7. Discretionary behavior. 8. Earning response coefficient. Number 9. Accounting information content. And the last is number 10. Value relevance study. Finally, we have arrived at the end of the presentation. I will describe the conclusion of this journal article. The research aims to describe the development of MBAR Indonesia. The description is drawn on a research map that contains the themes of MBAR, variable, intervariable relationship, methods, and unit of analysis MBAR. There are 9 maps which represent the development of MBAR and contains 18 dependent variables, 154 independent variables, 19 moderating variables, 1 mediating variables, 34 contracts, 5 research models representing 3 research methods, and 3 units of analysis. The analysis indicates that many MBAR areas are interesting to be investigated in the future. MBAR will be a more important research since the convergence process of international accounting standard is ongoing in 2012. Moreover, meta-analysis is needed to synthesize the inconsistency result of MBAR. However, this study contains some weakness. This paper only observed 10 years development while many previous research make a review for at least 20 years. Due to data limitation, this paper could review only a decade of Indonesia accounting research publication. That's historical start in the late 90s. Scientists study use descriptive approach for broad research area. The analysis is broad but not deep. Therefore, future research should deeply elaborate each theme's method in this research. Thank you for listening my presentation. I hope you gain additional insight from this discussion. If you have any question, I'll be pleased to answer them. Many thanks for your attention. Goodbye.